Hello everybody, this is Nick from BIMpure. In this video, I'll teach you how to automate the creation of system families in Revit using AI. In this case, we're using Claude Code along with pyRevit MCP server. I already explained how to set up pyRevit MCP in a separate video, so if you haven't done so already, make sure to check that out. So recently I was wondering what is the most boring task and time-consuming task in Revit. And creating system families, especially walls, was way up there. You need to create all the layers, set the materials, the priority, the thickness. If you have lots of them, it can be really boring. So I was wondering, what if you have an image, something like that? Could you send it to AI and ask, just create all the wall compositions based on that? So I have this image right here, just a screenshot of a set of documents. It's actually in French, so I'll ask Claude to translate it to English and to create all these wall compositions. I have my prompt ready right here. Create Revit wall compositions based on this image, translate to English, use existing materials as much as possible, but you can create a few new ones if they're clearly missing. Round to the nearest 1/8 of an inch value and ask me a few clarifying questions before we get going. So let's send that prompt and get going. Okay, after a few minutes, it just tells me everything that's going on, how many wall compositions we have in this project, and then it starts to ask me a few questions. So in this case, it's asking me how to name the walls. I'll keep the same nomenclature as in the screenshot. And then one of them rounds to, let's go to 5/16 of an inch because it was written in millimeter. Then it asks about the membrane layers. Let's just go with 0 thickness. And then it asks me what materials to create. We can create all of these, that's fine. So I'm gonna submit that. Okay, after about 5 minutes, it tells me it is complete, tells me all of the new wall type that have been created along with the ID number and the thickness. So let's just have a look. I'm going to create a new wall, and in the drop down, I can select M4. Gonna draw it here. It seems good. So let's go to the type and edit the structure. Is this good? Looks like it. Seems everything works and makes sense. I should probably verify with the screenshots, but from a first glance, it looks just fine. So obviously you should verify all the compositions created by AI. But overall, this is working. So I'd be curious to try on like 100 system families to see if it works. If you've enjoyed this video, check out our new Cloud for BIM live course. It will be in the fall of 2026 and includes 6 live sessions with various experts in BIM and AI. Get on the waitlist now and immediately receive 2 pamphlet PDF guides about using Claude for Revit. In addition, check out the BIMpure membership. It includes several courses, family collections, our Revit Pro template, live sessions with various experts in the community. Enroll now at bimpure.com.